So I got this bag from Box Lunch. The maker is Irregular Choice. They came out with a Toy Story collection. The original price was $142.90, but I did not pay that. Box Lunch was having a sale, and I think that with tax and everything, I paid $102 for it. Definitely more than what I would ever pay, but I just had to have it, especially because it is absolutely adorable and it lights up. I have the most perfect ears to go with these. So yeah, Box Lunch does not carry this bag anymore. However, they do have the shoes that Irregular Choice released as well.